Good evening. My name is Tim. I'm one of many tutors. This lesson will consist of us finding the radius of a given circle. The circle below has a radius of r and center at C. The distance from A to B is x. Solve for the indicated variable. If A is 34 degrees and x is 5, what is the radius? So, visually, this is what the scenario looks like. We have a circle with center with center C. The distance from A to B is actually a chord, okay? A chord to a circle, okay? And that chord length is 5. Radius r, of course, half the diameter. How do we find r? We use a trig function, in this case, cosine. So cosine 34 equals adjacent r over hypotenuse 5. Why hypotenuse? Because the distance between A and B and the distance between B and C and A and C forms a right triangle. So we use cosine, okay? And since we're solving for r, we have to cross multiply. R times 1 equals 5 times cosine 34, which is what we have here. Now, you want to make sure that your calculator is in degrees, okay? Because if it's in radians, it's going to give you a negative number. So switch your calculator to degrees and then type in 5 times cosine 34, and you should get 4.14 something, which will turn that 4 into a 5. So round it to the nearest hundredth, 4.15 units. Okay? This is what r is, the radius. Making sure that your calculator is in degrees when you do this problem. That is all for this evening. I hope this helped. Thank you.